show you this kind of website. It's a live score website. So simple to create. If you like, you can create only one page. If you don't like, you can create multi pages based on the heading. As you can see, this is Premier League, La Liga, Bundesliga, Serie A, League One, Championship. You can add more other sections. So simple. You go and get the logo and you upload them, on the header section. Just like when you have your domain and web hosting, you install WordPress. After you install WordPress, then you install any type of theme. You also install Elementor plugin. For this, we don't need Elementor Pro, so the free version can also do this work for us. So as you can see, I just added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. So I uploaded this, and also you had the text header. Sorry. So you had the text header under each of the images. So here you can link pages on this, so that if someone going to click on each of this is going to see something about Premier League, like this one now. I have created something here, so let me show you the example, but I have not finished customizing. So as it's happening, so here you can see I added um art. So simple. So this art I added is so simple to add it. You don't need any approval. It's just for you to create an account on Artera. Artera is a very fast platform to get that. But Artera, if you actually want to make money with, if you know you have a website where you have traffic, so that is a good place for you, because it's going to actually give you, though their CPM is so low, so but at least, instead of leaving your website, I think Astera can. So you see, this is the other page, which I created with Premier League page. So I put the same logo, header, everything, same design, and here you can see I added uh, a Premier League table. So if you like, you can also show Premier League features by this side. Maybe you can add two columns here, two more sections like this one. You had two more here, so that you'll be able to add advertisement as well on this page. So any page someone click, your advert also going to show. So this is the example. So I created only one page. So as we go, you can see I had a Premier League here. I added matches today, live scores. So you can see today is 0907. Okay, so that is it. So this changes automatically. You don't need to do anything. With this code, you don't need to do anything. Once you created a site, you don't need to be publishing posts. Is automatic, but for posts is also good, so that you'll be able to drive traffic to your website. But you can see I did not add any section for posts, but it's also very important. You can do that as well. Then by this side, maybe below, you can add your blog post sections, maybe below here. You can add a blog post section, so that if someone going to click on your URL, your link on maybe Google, where you're driving your traffic, or on Facebook, it's going to take them here, and they are going to see more about your site. And before you know, they are going to click on, going to come to the home page. All of your posts, you can link all of these tables, all of the live score itself. So if someone is reading about football, maybe about any club, Man U, whatsoever happen and this. So once they link to that place and you added Premier League table, La Liga table, example, you put live score. So someone maybe from the header section you design it where it to attract someone. So then you copy the link of your live score. So it also take them back to the home page of your site. And then you can see I added advertisement here as well. You can see so simple to add this advertisement, so don't too rush about it. So we're going to design it together. So simple to do this website as well. So as you can see, this all are the games that was played yesterday. Okay, as you can see, all was played yesterday. You can see, you can see World Club friendly. You can see, okay, you can see UEFA Champions League. You can see this is USA, MLS, Inter Miami, and New England. You can see Los Angeles 3, and so all the game that was played. Okay, this is today. You can see the date. This is today game, and this was yesterday. You can see. So that is how it is so simple to create this website. Free code, everything free. So thank you for watching, guys. If you are interested to learn how to do this, please let me know so that I give my time as well to do this for you. Thank you so much. Don't always forget to subscribe. Share also to your loved ones who are willing to learn how to be a webmaster or web designer, or also someone who want to take advantage of an online, also to make money out of it. So thank you so much, and bye for now.